Welcome guys, and in today's video I'm going to be talking to you about Shieldeum AI powered DePIN as well as its listing date and how you can be able to mine it on your PC or do it on PC. Currently I'm using a laptop to be able to do it, so without further ado, let's get started. So Shieldeum Airdrop is an advanced AI powered DePIN airdrop or DePIN token securing Web3 into the world. So it's, as you can see from their pin message, is that it produces secure computing power for 440 million crypto users by AI powered decentralization physical infrastructure network. That's what the pin means. Shieldeum is that its listing date has now been confirmed, so it's not just about waiting. Its listing date has now been confirmed, and from their recent posts, which is 2 days ago, their TGE launch, that's their final launch, will be set on November 28th, 13 hours, 13 o'clock or 13 UTC. That's the time, and they'll be listing in 3 major exchanges and more. Okay, so they have already given out their listing date, and it is expedient that it's almost near, because from now until the 28th is less than 2 weeks, or just like approximately 2 weeks. 2 weeks, okay, so we just have 2 weeks to be able to mine it on the airdrop and be able to get the rewards. I think it's a very good airdrop and something that is worthwhile for someone to be able to participate. Okay, so without further ado, let's get started. You can click the link in the description below, so that it will take you to the app or the website where you can be able to log in. So the first objective when you come to here is for you to be able to log in into Shieldeum. Okay, for you to be able to log in into Shieldeum. I've already logged in, that's why it's not showing. But if you did log in, you have to go through this process of setting up your email account and confirming them by a verification message on your email account. So after that, the next thing is that the first part, which is a 1 million node rewards for the airdrop. So Shieldeum is giving out a 1 million node rewards for the airdrop. You can be able to look at the airdrop guide here. You can be able to look at the airdrop guide here and see what's installed in terms of the information that they have. So I'm going to walk you through every single thing here on the navigation bar or navigation menu. So their airdrop Shieldeum, this is their documentation about what they have installed. So this is what they have, and they are giving away 1 million US dollars on SDM node rewards. So if you participate in the airdrop, then coming back here, this is the app. Once you have logged in, it will show this. The first thing that you need to do is to be able to do all these tasks. That's follow them, that's Shieldeum, help them grow by retweeting and liking their comments on social media, then get an EPN account. Okay, then referral quests, can be able to earn each completed referral quest, that as well as hold a partner tokens to qualify. Telegram mini app, do the Telegram mini app by joining it, then connect your wallet. Okay, connecting your wallet. So the wallet that you need to connect is your MetaMask. You connect your MetaMask wallet. In fact, do all the tasks there, connect your MetaMask wallet, then join their Telegram mini app, which is here. They join a Telegram mini app, you can be able to start the boot, do the required task. This is Shieldeum, then you can be able to play it and launch the application on your mobile. But I'm still using a desktop PC, so that's how it actually starts with. So this is how it is. Okay, this is how it is, but I'm going to walk you through completely on how you can be able to do this on mobile. Okay, so the next thing that you need to go through is your dashboard. So your dashboard is this. So active nodes are here, your total CPU is here, then the total number of users. In fact, then in terms of the node, this is what they already have still on their metrics as well as their data. Then their EPN shield. Okay, their EPN, that's Shieldeum EPN. So for that, you can be able to connect your wallet first on it. So you can be able to connect your MetaMask wallet. If you don't have bare metal as well as their airdrop section, which is the one that I just showed you. Then most importantly is their Telegram mini app, which I just clicked on previously, and I'll show you on the video, and their payment testnet. So your objective is to connect your wallet and do the required task. Okay, it's MetaMask and it's also in the DePIN ecosystem, and the likelihood of it yielding much profit, since there's a $1 million stake on it, is going to be really high. Okay, it's going to be really high. So that's basically every single thing that you can be able to do on Shieldeum network if you are using your PC. So if you click on some of these things, you are going to be able to see what is at stake and what you're expected to do, so that you can be able to get your rewards while doing all these tasks. That's every single thing about Shieldeum network, Shieldeum Airdrop. My name is Odis Profit. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on post notification bell, and join the Telegram channel. Link in the description. Once again, I wish you well. Thanks.